Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today now I've seen another app that pays you money just doing a simple thing. So all what you just need to do in this app is just to like videos and also like photos on this app. The more you like is the more you earn. So if you want to know more about this app and how it works, so you just need to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like these videos. So let's go to the video. Do not forget to upload. So if you upload videos in this app, you have to earn 1000 coin for the first upload you upload in this site. So you have to press cancel, and if you want to upload you have to press what continue. So you can only like 40 photos per day. You can only like 40 photos per day, and the more you like is the more you earn more coin per liking photos. So guys, it's even more rolling up. Just keep moving. So when you go, you just give around one like. Can you see? Per like you have to earn more when you like photos on this. So when you come here now, can you see 2 followers? I'm following just one person and I have 2 followers. Wow. So I've already like those two people photos, and they would like, and they remove it from the time. So this same year, if they watch video, they are giving me 100 coin.
Nowadays, few people can download the real profitable games.
So this
Most
one here is
people are
just
playing
loading
pirated
ads.
games.
So it's just loading ads here. So I want to wait for the ads to load finish. And press cancel. So I've earned the coin. So if you want to withdraw your money, you come here, withdraw. So you have to move up. So this is it here. If you want to withdraw your money, 10,000 coin is worth 0.01 USDT. So if you want to convert your 10,000 coin so to your money is what 0.01 USDT, and I already have 7,000 coin. So and the minimum payout is 0.03 USDT is the minimum payout. So if you want to convert your money, you can convert it. So if I press convert, great. Can you see I've already converted it now? Can you see they have removed my money away from here? So I have 0.04 USDT. I just end off now 0.04 USDT. So the more you like is the more you earn more on it. So if you come here, just what, keep liking. So and this one now, this is also press cancel, you just keep liking.
Learn how to turn $10 into $250 in under 15 minutes using only $10. All you need is a smartphone and the expert.
So you just keep liking. So the more you like, you press no. So you just keep liking. Can you see the more you like is the more coin you earn per like? So you just keep liking. Most like up to what 50s like on this 40 likes. So if you like 40, that's the more you earn on it. So that's all about this site. All you just need is to subscribe for more videos. And what this one here pays you when you complete this task. So per task you completed is the more coin you earn. So they say well, download and get paid. So when you download this app, you have to go get paid. So the more you answer all this one here is the more coin you earn. Can you see 500,000 coin, 46,000 coin, 1 million coin? When you answer this one, you're getting 1 million coin. That 1 million coin, do you know how much it is? So when you can answer those surveys there. So and you can keep liking if you want to get more like. So if you want to keep liking the unlimited like, you come here. So you watch videos. When you watch ads, you're going to get one more like. So when you watch ads, you're going to get one more like. So the best thing is what you just need to download auto click. So you have to set your auto click in this box here to watch the video for you. So I'll cancel it. So you just need to drop your phone and earn money on it. So that's all about this site. I come what withdraw. So when you come here, okay, so when you want to withdraw your money to what, this is what payee. If you want to choose payee 0.19, you come here 0.19. So when you use Coinbase, Perfect Money, Amazon is 0.64. It will be ready in 3 days. Your Amazon card to be ready in 3 days. So why PayPal is 0.1 USD is what PayPal, and in a day you can get up to 10 USDT using this app. So it's very easy. So thanks for watching.